Right guys, today I had CID turn up because of youths trying to nick half of nicking my motorbike. Apparently, I've been around a couple of times. Other neighbours have seen them, but I do have that CCTV camera there and that camera there. Another thing they forgot to spot, these little thieves, is that 24-hour guard response. So you actually get an idea about that. Other neighbours have seen them coming, and what they've done was parked there, got on their phone to their little riff-raffs, texting, and the other place they disappeared to, which is down here. We've also had this white van sitting here, which is suspicious. That's been sitting here on double yellow lines. This white transit. That's rather suspicious. Well, got a couple of parking tickets, but the guy is on the scooters, or the guy on the scooter that's checked my bike out. He come down here, obviously on the road. He's come along here. Then he's disappeared down here. Disappeared down this mud track. So he's gone down there. CID went up to my neighbour and spoke to her. So he got a witness there. Apparently there's going to be putting in for more patrols around here at night. But there's cameras everywhere. Most people around here have got the doorbell cameras. Most people around here, well, you've got the bungalows at the end there. Got the top floor flat up there, he's up all bloody night. But that's what's going on around here. He's after, well, they're after that. And that's got a shitload of locks on it. Plus you've got the CCTV. As you can see there, the sensor just picked me up. So it's going to pick them up as well. Plus you've got that camera there. And the 24-hour guard. It's bloody cold out here, guys. So CID are looking into it. I've given them permission to access my CCTV cameras. They can do it from the station if they want to. Bloody hell, guys, it's getting cold out there. That's what's basically going on around Crowborough Road. Boy, guys, it's getting cold. You've got the guys running around with scooters trying to find motorcycles. Oh, this is a little spot. This is Spot, my little kitten. Little spot in you, hey? Yes, good girl. Just put it down. Oh boy. It's not the first time they've been round here checking out my bike. I had a neighbour upstairs that tried nicking his bike. I've tried nicking a few of my bikes in the past. Hence why I done the ground anchor. And on here is the police crime reference number. So the police are well involved in this. Neighbours have see them on the bikes, or see him on the bike. CID have all the reference numbers, they've been round. CCTV is going up in the communal hallway. I'm pushing for camera to be put back on the lamppost. Some other spot. I'll get into it again. What's the matter? Hey? As I said, I'm putting a few more cameras up. I'm going to get one up, put up in the communal hallway here. Bike has a shitload of locks on it, plus a tracking device. It's also got an immobiliser, so you can't start it. So, hello. Front forks leak like a sieve. Front brake, you pull the front brake lever, that leaks like a sieve at the moment. So it's not rideable. Well, there you go. That's Crowborough Road in Southend. They thought they'd be clever coming on a bike, checking out my bike, but they got seen by multiple people. Got the bike's reg. CID's been round. So, Southend Council know about it. South Essex Homes knows about it. Every resident on the estate knows about it. Quite a few of them see him coming in. But you touch the bike, it's got more alarms and bells and whistles going to go off than enough. Loads of alarms will be going off on the bike. So, there you go. So if you own a motorcycle on Crowborough Road, Southend, a little 125, be careful. Or anywhere in Southend. Make sure you got a ground anchor, disc brake locks, D-locks on it, motorcycle cover on it. It just makes it harder for them to steal it. It makes it takes them longer to steal it, which gives the police time to get to you. Me, I've got a police station just bottom of my road, so they're going to be here within a couple of seconds. So, okay guys. So if you own a 125cc motorcycle, ground anchor, disc brake alarm lock, D-locks, put as many locks on the bike as you can and cover it up with a bike cover. Be safe.